Hi, sixth grade. Here are your spelling notes to help you do your spelling pages for this week. We are on Unit 27, pages 174 to 177. So for this first page, you're dividing it up by the suffix. Suffix, remember, is the ending. So for 1 through 6, you're going to find the IC ending. There will be 6 of those. For 7 through 12, another 6, we're going with the suffix URE. And then 13 through 20, the last will have the suffix OUS. Okay, so that should help you divide up your words for page 174. For page 175, 21, 22 should be fairly straightforward. When it comes to analogies, I just like to point out number 26 and 27. A little while ago, we had this where you have a root word in the analogy, and that's the comparison they're making. So for 26, note it says pedal is to pedestrian as fraction is to something else. So we have fraction. So it's finding something that also has that similar start. Same with 27. You have minus to minute and position to something else. So hopefully that will help you to get those analogies correct. For our challenge words on page 175, I can give you the parts of speech. So for number 29, that's an adjective. For 30, that's a noun. 31 is an adjective. 32 is an adjective. 33 is an adjective. Then on 34 through 36, make sure you are underlining that silent G, or the G sound. It's not prominent, but it's a G sound. Okay, that's page 175. Turning to page 176. Okay, so here for 1 through 11, it is words that describe size and shape. Okay, so if you are not sure the meaning of some of these words and you don't have your spelling dictionary, because I did not look up every single one of these words, you can use an online dictionary like Merriam-Webster.com to help make sure you're getting a correct definition, and that will help you find the ones that are similar. I will do the first to kind of hopefully help you get a feel for this. So for 1, it's talking about a globe. Well, what word is descriptive of a globe? The word should be spherical. So for number 1, spherical. Hopefully that helps you get a feel for what that looks like 1 through 11. On 12 through 16, you're using your thesaurus. Okay, here you're going to look up the word unusual. I did include the thesaurus in the copy of the pages. Okay, so the idea is you're going to find a more exact word for unusual using the thesaurus, using words that are going to be more specific to the meaning based on the context of the sentence. So reading the sentence should give you the clue about what should go in that spot. Okay, finally, page 177, you have 11 misspelled basic or review words, and then we have 4 errors in punctuation of dialogue. So something we'll talk about more in 7th grade, we'll spend a good time on dialogue. We always will begin with a quotation, have our dialogue, comma, quotation marks, and then that dialogue tag, said Bob. Okay, if you have a dialogue tag where it's in the middle, you might say quotation marks, whatever said, comma, quotation mark, said Bob, comma, quotation marks. So for 7th grade, we say comma to the left, quotation to the right, stand up, sit down, right, right, right. Big key thing to remember, comma, then the quotation mark. That's going to be some of the things looking for. Other things, remember, you don't capitalize dialogue tags. So if I'm starting my quote and going, I'll start the quote with a capital, but I don't need to then quote said Bob. Okay, that's lowercase. Hopefully those are just a few reviews to help you with your dialogue. So all of this is due Thursday, spelling test on Friday.